this video we're going to make a relatively simple mechanical part, and let's do a little investigation. As we always do, we want to decide the primary drawing plan. For this one, I will choose the right view like this, and once we get this profile, we extrude it into a block, and we make a cut at the back, make a cut of a half circle over here, and I want to pay attention that is the origin is in the middle of the back at the bottom. So make sure you choose the right coordinates. Okay, if you rotate the object, there is also a feature we call the rib. Typically is for reinforcement. Let's go right to it. Okay, let's go to File, click New, and click Part. Click OK. All right, click Right Plane, make a sketch, click Line, snap to the origin, go to the right, go up, go to the left, go right, go to left again, wait until two dash line, make a click, then click the origin. Okay, we use the smart dimension. The height of this object is 8. Click this line, the width is 2. Click this vertical one, the length is 5. Click the top one, the width is 1. Now it says fully defined. We are good to go. Click Feature, go to Extruded Base. Because we need to keep the origin in the middle of the bottom at the back, therefore we need to choose middle plane. The extruded depth would be 4. Hit Enter. Click this green check. So we have a block. Now we need to make a cut. I'm going to make a first half circle cut at the back. Click the back plane, it turns to blue. Make a sketch. I'm going to click a circle. Make sure the center is on the edge. I'm going to use smart dimension. And the diameter of the circle is 2. Also, I need to define from this edge to the center the distance. I'm going to click the center. Also click this vertical line. The dimension here should be 2 because it should be right in the middle. Now it says fully defined. We create a full circle. I'm going to show you how we can trim the circle into the half circle. If you notice there is a line, however, that is the edge from the previous drawing. For this particular sketch, we only have one object, which is the full circle. So in order to trim the full circle into half, we need to have a diameter. So I'm going to click a line, click this coordinate point. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that. And click this coordinate. So now we actually have a line, and you just need to hit the EXC to exit. Okay. Now we're going to click Trim. Click Power Trim. Now click your left click right here, and hold on to that. Make sure it cross this half circle. You will notice that the top of the half is gone. So which is good, and it also said fully defined. Click Feature, Extruded Cut. I'm going to choose Through All. Then click this green check. So we finish this half circle. Hit FL keyboard, bring to the zoom to fit. Now we're going to make another cut in the back. So I'm click the back plane as well, make a sketch, click a corner rectangle, smart dimension, the width is 2, the height is 3. Click this horizontal line, and to the bottom edge, click the bottom edge. The distance should be 1. Click this vertical line. Also click this vertical edge. The distance should be 1 as well. Now it says fully defined. Click feature. Click extruded cut. Make sure you choose the depth of the cut is 1, because it's not a through hole. We only cut into 1. Click that. Basically, we finish one cut here, one cut to here as well. And now I'm going to show you how we can make this corner smooth. So we're going to click a feature, it's called a fillet. And click this edge. Click this edge. If you notice that it becomes smooth. Let's choose the diameter. Currently 0.1. I'm going to change that to 0.25. Your computer may be slightly different from mine. So give this green check. Now if you notice that it has a smooth corner. Okay, we're going to make a couple of chamfer over here. So I'm going to go to fillet, but do not click fillet. There is a downward arrow over here. And the second one, choose a chamfer. And click this edge. And if you rotate the object, make sure you can see this corner as well. Click this line. And currently, it's 45-degree angle. And choose the diameter. The distance is 0.25. Now click green check. Click this green check. You notice that I have make the corner smooth. Click isometric view. And click zoom to fit. So we're good. Okay, now we're going to show you how to make a rib if we rotate this object. Okay, how we can make a rib from here to the middle over here. So, and if you put your cursor on the right plane, if you notice that you have a right plane right in the middle. So we're going to create a click right plane. We're going to click right click. We're going to make a sketch. Okay, and also right click this one again. We're going to click normal tool. So this brings the right plane right facing us. So click line command and choose this point, this corner point, and this one need to go to the lowest point of this half circle, but I cannot see that. Therefore, you want to rotate it and click the middle of your middle wheel of your mouse and rotate it and put a cursor near the bottom. You should see that is the coordinate point turned to orange. Make a click. Now that is just hit EXC to escape from that function. Now that if you rotate the object, okay, you should be able to see a line. You should be able to see a line. Okay. Now let's go back to a click feature. There is the function. There is a button command. Is called rib. Click that one. Okay. And it has the thickness. It has go to a different way. Let's click in the middle one, both sides. And the depth, let's change that into 0.4. That is the width of the rib, 0.4. And currently is going upward direction. What you can do that is, you can click that one, make sure it convert into extrude direction. My computer a little bit slow. Okay, make sure that the arrow goes to this side. The arrow goes to this side. You can click a combination of this and make sure the arrow goes to this side. Click this green check. Now you have a rib. Now you have a rib right in place. Okay. Now let's go to isometric view. And now we finish the drawing. I will see you in the next video.